Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On my last video right here, I show you how to use Running Man, and if you haven't watched it yet, you can go and watch it how to get access to Running Man on your Play Store. If you're using iOS or any Apple device, go to your Apple Store, search for Go Running, or you can use the link on my description. Scroll down until you find this. Once you have done download, open, and you can have access to your Go Running or Running Man. My NFT shoes is Brave, and I have 50 energy to use today. My NFT shoes has expired, and to repair your NFT, all you have to do is simply go to fix it, and it's gonna ask you how you want to pay. You can pay with your balance. To repair at 50 run. Remember, one bond is equivalent to one USDT, and one USDT is equivalent to one US dollar. So I am going to pay with my CBC. To pay with your CBC, it's going to cost you 40 CBC, which is equivalent to $40, and you get $10 cheaper. So we pay with CBC. It says payment successful, and I can use it again for 40 days, and my earning is going to be $2.86 each time I use these NFT shoes. You can find more or learn more about your NFT on the description. We go back to the account. So far, here are my earnings. Here is my available balance, which is one, and one can be withdrawn to your digital wallet. So far, I have withdrawn a total of 14.44, $11.44 from this app. And this was my trial period, and I received it immediately. If you would like to buy one to pay for your NFT shoes, all you have to do is click on recharge and select the amount you wish to recharge. And if you would like to recharge 100 USDT, which is 100 US dollars, you click on confirm, and it's going to give you the screen. If you're not familiar how to use this, make sure to subscribe, and I will show you how to use this system. Thank you for watching.